Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. My name is Mohamad Nazmi Faiz. My matric number is B051820050. My topic for my assignment is the open burning of the rice straw. For several countries in Southeast Asia, the rice industry is a strategic industry. Apart from being the staple food, it is also a major contributor to the rural economy. By using high-yielding seed varieties and intensive farming practices, the rise in rice production indirectly increases the amount of straw. In Malaysia, it is estimated that more than 700,000 hectares of paddy fields in this country are expected to yield 2 million metric tons of straw in each season of cultivation. Rice straw is a fibrous byproduct of the rice industry that has not been completely recognized and used in Malaysia as a valuable feed resource that can be processed to a useful green product. Instead, during the harvest season, post-harvest open burning straw become a traditional and unsustainable farming activity and raises environmental concerns, as it will result in contamination of the atmosphere and soil infertility. The substantial influence of burning straw can be seen in the threat of global climate change and its impact on human health. According to the WHO, World Health Organization, climate changes have caused over 150,000 deaths annually. Study shows that only 20% of rice straw is actually used for practical purposes. Common practice in handling the rice straw is by open burning. Open burning is generally practiced in many countries in Asia for agricultural land clearing. In Southeast Asia in particular, open burning of rice straw after harvesting is intensive during the dry season, which may contribute significantly to air pollution in the environment. To know more regarding these issues, I have interviewed one of the villagers who is also a farmer.
Kalau kat sini dia ada dua cara. Satu dia bakar, satu lagi kita juga boleh gunakan sawah padi ni, kita gulung dan jadikan sebagai makanan kepada haiwan ternakan macam lembu. Kalau saya ambil yang mudah lah, bakar paling mudah. Dan tak perlukan, kalau macam gulung jerami tu perlukan tenaga lain macam mesin, kita kena upah orang untuk gulung dan sebagainya. Kesan makanan jerami, yang pertama kepada sekitaran lah. Dia boleh menyebabkan pendedahan, dia boleh menyebabkan asap tu boleh mengakibatkan kepada jerebu, pencemaran alam sekitar. Itu antara yang kesan yang terburuk makanan jerami.
From the interview, we can say that even the farmers knows the impact of open burning to the environment, they still choosing this method due to the cost saving and also it is the fastest route to prepare the land. According to studies, open straw burning lead to the release of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrous dioxide, and methane. A greenhouse gas is a gaseous compound in the atmosphere that is capable of absorbing infrared radiation, thereby trapping and holding heat in the atmosphere. By increasing the heat in the atmosphere, greenhouse gases are responsible for the greenhouse effect, which ultimately leads to global warming. In addition, much of the nutrients in the soil namely 90% nitrogen phosphorus, 20% potassium, 5 to 60% sulfur and silica are also lost by this open burning. The only benefit from this act is it helps in reducing the pest and disease populations that may occur due to reinfection from inoculum in the straw biomass. Concerns about the environment and public health and the high potential of straw have opened up opportunities for the commercialization of straw by means of composting, livestock feed, and plant growth media for agri-industrial production. Given the high potential of rice straw in agro-industrial production, if the resources are wasted, it is uneconomical and a loss to the country. Therefore, in solving these issues, there are two methods, which is engineering solution and non-engineering solution. For engineering solution, rice straw are potentially able to be manufactured into biodegradable plastic materials for packaging purposes. Biodegradable refers to the ability of objects to disintegrate by the action of biological microorganisms such as bacteria or fungi while being assimilated into the natural world. During the process, there is no ecological damage that produced. Rice straw contains a reasonably high amount of cellulose 32% to 47%, hemicellulose 90% to 27%, and lignin 5% to 24%, and this abundant amount of cellulose helps in producing these products. One of the products that produced by this biodegradable plastic is food containers. The step to producing this product was started by cutting the straw into small pieces, and then it will be steamed for around 4 hours. After that, it will be drained to extract the pulp. Finally, it will be pressed to form the final product. Biodegradable plastic are very important because it will cut down the petrochemicals usage, as the fossil fuels will not last forever. Our reliance on foreign oil or increasingly intrusive methods of extracting domestic oil can have significant environmental, economical, and political consequences. For non-engineering solution, rice straw can be used as a source of feed for ruminant livestock. Rice straw is rich in polysaccharides, high lignin and silica content, limiting voluntary intake and reducing degradability by ruminant microorganisms. The use of fungi or enzyme treatment is expected to be more practical and environmental friendly approaches for enhancing the nutritive value of rice straw and can be cost effective in the future. As a conclusion, rice straw could potentially create a valuable added value commodity in industry chain. However, straw development must not only be seen in terms of economic development, but also need more approaches towards more sustainable agricultural system. Poor straw utilization in Malaysia is shown by the widespread of open burning straw, imports of animal feed remaining high, participation of farmers in straw collection is low, and the numbers of straw entrepreneurs is very limited. Increasing straw utilization need to be further promoted for agronomic and environmental reasons.